Yes.
Because then I know what is done and what's not done. Yep.
All right, Nick, there you go.
Appreciate it, man.
All right,
Thank you.
likewise. Thank you.
So you put PVC pipe in there?
Yep.
You're not pouring no concrete tonight, are you?
What?
For real?
Oh yeah, because he's coming in to do the shower tomorrow morning.
Central Florida Texture and Painting. And I also have FPI Services, Specialty Plumbing.
Out of Tampa, when we bought, because our trailer was like $30,000. And there was a guy in Tampa just drove by one.
This is the for plumbing here. All right, you know how folks have the hopper? Well, John have a commercial sprayer. Okay. This is full with mud, drywall texture. Hey Nick, real quick, Nick, I see both of you and John here. Y'all have trailers. What kind of trailer you got here, Nick?
This is a sewer line jetter. It's like a pressure washer for sewer lines. This removes debris, grease, rocks, sediment, you name it. It can remove it out of the sewer pipes. It also preps the pipes for when we reline and coat pipes for sleeving.
It's a spray rig, commercial spray rig.
Oh, okay. Man, that's what's up. So you can spray a whole house, right?
Whole house, 300 gallons.
300?
300 gallons.
You ain't playing around.
You got some mud in there now, John?
Yeah, I just.
This is John Akins here, right here with Central Florida Texture and Painting, 863-651-8325. And I'm stepping up on his commercial sprayer here. It has texture in it. John, how long can that texture stay in there?
As long as I'm spraying, it's good. But if I'm not spraying, I let it stay for about 3 weeks. If I don't spray in 3 weeks, I clean it out.
All right.
Supply line.
This is a supply line, John?
300 feet. 300 feet. No one around here has this supply line. I can run across metal and it won't burst. This is a 1 inch to a 3 inch to a ½ inch. 300 feet.
Not beautiful aesthetic knockdown that you put on my last house.
You can reach me at 863-651-8325. It's my cell phone, or you can reach me at my website, just here on my placard here, centralfltexturepainting.com.
All right. Talk to y'all later, folks. We got to go to work here.
Appreciate it. Greg gotta go. I gotta run out here.